Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Sunday, May 18, 2025. Today is Sunday, and I think the best day to pass this message out is today being Sunday because a lot of people who are Christians are in the church now. Some of them are already back. Some of them will be going in the evening. But one thing I want to let you know is that Africa Christians, those who are living in Africa especially, they don't have the awareness about security of their life. And if it is religion that is doing this to them, I think it is time for Christians to change their mentality. The mentality of living things for your God, the mentality of saying God will come and save me, God will come and do this, you are misunderstanding God. This is what I mean. God cannot just come and save you of something He has given you power to save yourself. He will not do that. God cannot come and feed you when you have food on your table. God cannot come and, take you to the bathing room and put shower on you. God cannot come out and start doing what He has given you the ability to do for yourself. For those of you who believe in God, I am talking to you because you people are the reason why insecurity are increasing, because you refuse to resist in the name of religion. You refuse to resist because you said it is, God will protect us, we'll leave it up to God. Now, let me tell you something. I know people have different meaning in interpreting the Bible, but listen, when you read the Gospel of Luke, Jesus Christ said something. For those of you who believe the scriptures, He said something that time will come, people will sell their cloth and buy gun. Time will come, people will sell their clothes and buy gun. And I want to let you know that it seems the thing is fulfilling now in Africa, not only in Nigeria, but in West Africa, because of ISWAP. Islamic State of West African Province, that are making sure that West Africa will be captured. This is the situation we are now. And if anybody tells you otherwise, the person don't even value your life or his or her life. When I was in Libya some years ago, I asked they call them Mudi, my Oga, I asked him a question. That why is it that every household, if there are six persons in that household, they will have like 12 guns, including AK-47, sniper, pistol. I understand the situation of Libya then. I understand that everybody provides security for themselves. And he told me that if anything happens now, he gave me an example. He said, if someone robbed my car now, I can't go and start calling army, start calling police. I have to call my people and we'll chase and get the car back and serve him justice. So I will not start waiting for police or for those things, because you won't even see them. So everybody is policing, every family, they are policing themselves. I picked that, I got that. Now let me tell you, if you people are 5 in a family, I'm talking to people who are in the rural areas in Nigeria. You don't have security, you don't have government. Government does not work in rural areas in Nigeria, okay? I know what I'm talking about. If you are 5 or 6 in a house, it's better for you to sell land and buy guns. Like pump action, it is very easy to use pump action in Nigeria. The reason why I say it's very easy to use pump action in the sense that you can join vigilante, you can even register it easily without any problem. Everybody understands the level of insecurity. I was talking with one of the police DPO, that was last week here now. He was telling me that what they want people to do is to register their gun so that tomorrow will not come one person supporting the terrorist will come out to say the gun you are having is not registered, blah, 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 all those things. The reason I'm saying this is that, yes, pump action is not that, fast or powerful like AK-47, let me put it in that way. But if you have 3 pump action in your house, it will be very difficult for all these terrorists to just come to your house and kill everybody. It's not possible like that. These people are not meeting resistance. These people are not meeting resistance. And this thing is supposed to be preached on pulpits. Let me tell you, it is someone who is alive that can pursue salvation. The dead cannot do anything. You've got to save your life. Now, today, the new Pope is doing inauguration. Listen, for those of you that claim you are a Christian, that only God that will come to save you. God has already saved you. God has helped you. If you don't help yourself, you will die for nothing. And God is not responsible for your death. Take that statement. God is not responsible for your death. So if you like, you do what you like. I was watching inauguration of the Pope. Is still going on. And I needed to understand the security details of what is going on in Rome. And I realized that snipers are positioned in the roof. The sun will be hitting those on the roof. It doesn't matter. They have faith in their mind, but they have weapon in their hands. I'm talking about Vatican. Snipers are positioned. Anti-drone defense systems are positioned to shoot down any drone that perceives as threat. Not just about the Pope, but also about the people who are coming. Vatican City is a country of their own. You know why I'm saying this? Because many people that, especially in Plateau State, people in Plateau State, I don't know what is wrong with them. Anytime you talk to them, at the end, they want to drive to tell you that God, they are still praying to God. I didn't say you should not pray to God. I didn't say you should not believe in God. I didn't say you should not do this or do that. But you have to emancipate yourself to understanding that God is not responsible for the children's death, for all those things that is going on. You are responsible. You don't have government that will do that for you, you know. You don't have councils that will do that for you, you know. It is time for you to sell your plot to buy gun. It is time for you to sell your land to buy gun. It is someone who is alive that owns land. It is someone who is alive that owns properties. It is very important you have gun. I have my own. I have my own. So you should have your own, because someone cannot just come, knock, they will not even knock self. You will just hear boy. They will start shooting everybody in the house. Or you will hear people running, Fulani, you'll be hearing gunshot. If those people will still hear gun, it will not be battle to battle. You will resist them. So Christians should prepare for resistance. And then from Israel. And then from all these small countries that don't tolerate shit. You fire with fire. You must defend yourself. Forget about anything that people are telling you. Forget. See, I repeat, you have right to live. Nobody have right to take your life for nothing when you are innocent. When you are innocent, nobody have the right to take your life. What we are talking about here is self-defense. In a way you will do it, nobody will disturb you. Learn how to shoot gun. Go and learn how to shoot gun. See, if you want to learn it from police, go and learn it from police. If you want to go and learn it from the military, go and learn it. Go to any army battle that you want to learn how to shoot gun. Go and meet vigilante people. Tell them to teach you how to shoot gun. Because things that are going on now, it is no longer funny. It is no longer funny. And people are downplaying the insecurity situation, because just as I said, there is no government in the rural area, and the people from the rural area are the ones who are suffering from all these things. And there is no how you would point it. Now, the CDS Musa, day before yesterday, was saying that the reason why we have insecurity now in Enugu, in Ebonyi, in Sokoto, in Borno, in Kwara, everywhere now is because of the porosity of the border. This is the same man who was telling them that the reason why we have insecurity was Biafra agitators in the southeast. From the Biafra agitators now, Musa is shifting the blame to porosity of the border. That is after they must have achieved their aim, looking for the way to nail Nnamdi Kanu, looking for the way to just crucify anyone who is doing all this Biafra agitation. What is it called? The vice president, all of them, they traveled to Finland the other time to tell the Finnish government that Simon Ekpa is the reason why we have insecurity in the southeast. Now, Simon Ekpa has been in detention since, but does it change anything? No. Everything is increasing. It is very important, if we want to fight insecurity, we go to the root cause of the insecurity. The killing of Osama bin Laden did not stop ISIS. By the way, they are the one terrorizing West Africa now. Look at what they are doing in Burkina Faso. And when Burkina Faso military killed them, BBC is reporting that they kill civilians. Just like what is going on in Nigeria. That is their tactics. That is their tactics. When you kill a Fulani terrorist in your bush, they will say they are hunters. But when they kill you, they will say they are terrorists. It doesn't make sense. So they are killing Burkinabe armies. Burkina Faso, they are killing their armies. But when their army now kill them, BBC and other Gota media will be reporting that they kill civilians. You've got to prepare yourself, because government will even tell you that your village is safe. Like, I don't understand this. I was talking to someone in Benue State, that was last month. He was telling me that the mistake the governor of Benue State is making is that governor will go and tell them that their village is becoming safe Whereas at that moment that governor is even speaking, the people are under siege. That's what is going on, because all these political people in Nigeria, they are disconnected from the reality. Not only people in politics, also people who are, people who are business-minded, who really want to protect their business, not protecting their people. So that is what is going on. It is time to sell your land to buy gun. If you like, don't take this advice. If you like, you take it, because the time is now.